Hello everyone, welcome to this module. In this module, we will learn how you can use ChatGPT as a finance professional. Now, many of my students often ask me that, ma'am, will AI actually take away our jobs? Now, to answer that question, I just simply say I do not know if AI will actually take away your jobs, but I am sure somebody who knows AI better than you will definitely take away your job. Now, why am I saying that? See, AI is not only helping you complete a job, right? It's also helping you, complete the job even more efficiently and even more quickly, and rather, even in a more accurate manner. And just because of this reason, if somebody knows, how to use these AI tools better, knows how to actually incorporate the capabilities of these AI tools in your day-to-day office work, that particular person is definitely going to perform better than you. And there is definitely even more chances of that person getting a promotion or taking away an opportunity that you were looking out for. So, in today's world, it is just not enough for somebody to understand finance. Okay, it's not enough anymore. Knowing about something is not enough. It's also important how efficiently you can get the task done, how quickly you can get the task done. Okay, and how actually you can get it done is by learning about new AI technologies and learning how to incorporate these AI technologies in your everyday job, right? Now you will be surprised to know what ChatGPT alone as an AI technology is capable of. You can analyze entire financial statements of a company using ChatGPT. You can create detailed reports using ChatGPT. For example, even if you input entire financial data of a company into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate an earnings report, then ChatGPT can actually do the same within seconds for you, right? Other than this, ChatGPT can actually also help you to predict the future of a company. For example, since you are professionals, I'm sure you must have heard about financial modeling, right? So by inputting data, by giving in the data to ChatGPT, ChatGPT can actually create a detailed financial model for you through which you can actually predict how this particular company is going to perform in the future, right? Amazing, correct? That is not all. You can use ChatGPT as for data analytics, for data, for even data interpretation. It can create for you detailed heat maps, pie charts, bar graphs, etc. So that is the power of AI. That is the power of ChatGPT that you're missing on. And let me tell you something even more surprising. You can use ChatGPT to identify financial fraud as well. Yes, I'm actually telling you this that you can actually use ChatGPT for detection of financial fraud. And I'm sure through this you will be able to actually visualize how important as a tool is now ChatGPT for you to learn. So in this particular module, what I am going to help you is give you an introduction of how you can actually use ChatGPT while while working as a finance professional. Okay, so let us begin.